Today, I'm going to do an unboxing, show you the assembly process, and a couple of demonstrations of this 10-inch electric miter saw. Let's start with the unboxing. It comes with a very detailed user manual. Here is the dust bag. Feels like something is inside of it. Looks like a couple of tools for this saw. Here is the handle for the angle adjustments. Okay, first impressions. Very compact, light, weighing only 15.43 pounds, and clean looking. I really like this yellow and black combination. This has a powerful 9.5 amp motor paired with 6,100 RPM no-load speed, delivers fast, smooth cutting performance across aluminum, wood, and plastic. We will put this to the test. Here is a close-up overview. Let's finish removing all of the packing materials. Okay, so far this product is very smooth and well built. Let's assemble the part that basically gives you an extra hand holding down the material you are about to cut. Let's assemble the handle for the angle adjustments. Let me give you a demonstration on how the angle adjustments work. Currently, this saw is set at 0 degrees. Now I'm moving it with ease to 45 degrees. 15 degrees, the 15 degrees for the opposite angle, then 45 degrees. It locks nicely and securely in place. Here is the dust bag. You basically just squeeze this metal clamp around the discharge point on the back of the saw. Just like with any miter saw, you want to make sure your cuts are nice, straight, and square. Here, I'm putting my speed square on the blade itself, and yes, it is nice and square. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's see this saw in action, actually cutting something. Let's start with a piece of wooden material. Let's use this to help hold down and secure the wooden board for safety. Starts up with that high 6,100 RPMs. It cut that very well, a nice clean cut. Now, let's cut on a 45-degree angle. I wanted to show you the cut on different angles for a better view. Now, they advertise this saw to be able to cut soft metals also. Here we have a thin piece of aluminum. Let's see how well it does. There we go. Not bad. So this product will be great for soft, wooden, and metal materials. Once again, here is another angle. Very clean cut. Here is the product overview again. This was Clayton Reviews It. Thank you for your time. As always, a link to purchase this product is in the description.